Hi, Tochi. Hi. So I heard that your mom is unfortunately in the hospital and you've been finding it difficult getting to school. You know, I and the girls, we could always come pick you up.
Oh, no, you do not have to bother.
See, I know that I have been mean to you and I am sorry, okay? Thing is, you are a perfect fit for my team of friends. Yes. So I hope you can find it in your heart to please forgive me. Okay? Okay. Nice earrings, by the way. Really cute.
Wait. So you didn't even bother to wash your uniform? Hmm?
Like, dirty girl. Like, dirty. Why? Oh, goes me.
What's going on here?
I swear, I don't know how this got here.
Well, lucky for you, I always carry an extra pair of skirts with me. You? Hiss!
Thank you so much, Benita. You really saved me. She would have made fun of me all day.
It's fine. We're friends now, right? And friends look out for each other. Go change and come and meet me.
Shut up, you get crazy.
I told you. I told you that first we need to gain her trust.
And we have gained it now.
Unless she's going to pay forever messing you.
What's your Benita?
Just imagine, I don't know who she thinks she is. Because she got a scholarship. What does she even know? Come, let's go. Let me tell you what I plan to do. What is it?
I'm uncomfortable in this.
Oh, come on, it's not even that short.
What is it? I'm uncomfortable in this.
Oh, come on, it's not even that short. Relax. It's not that short. Turn around. It's not that short. Turn around.
My mom wouldn't like me if she sees me in this.
Oh, for God's sakes.
My mom wouldn't like
You need to
me
stop
if she
acting like a
sees
child.
me
You're
in
a
this.
big girl now. Sakes.
And you know after high school...
You need to stop acting like a child. You're a big girl now.
Independent. Stop
And you know after high school is university. You need to learn how to be independent.
Didn't
Stop
you notice how
letting
they
your
were
mom dictate
staring
everything.
at you earlier? Now they see you.
Didn't you notice how they were staring at
They
you?
notice your beauty.
Now they see you. They
how
notice
lots
you.
of things about you.
They notice your beauty.
Too short.
They
Trying to
notice
teach you
a
things,
lot
lots
of
of things about you.
So, too
They
short.
used to be
Trying
very
to teach you
tacky.
things. Learn.
I have something like this at home. I'll wear it tomorrow.
They used to be
Really?
very tacky.
That's my girl.
I have something like this at home. I'll wear it tomorrow.
Really?
You are a pretty girl. Act like it. Okay? Confidence.
No.
You are a pretty girl. Act like
Free
it.
yourself.
Okay? Confident.
No. Skirt up.
Free yourself.
Adjust your face.
Skirt up.
Smile.
Adjust your face. Smile. Okay, let's go.
What's your position?
Oh yeah, number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
I think 7.
7. Are you serious? Like
Yes,
7?
ma'am. He did not add that exact.
Mm.
It's going to be.
Really? Oh, I never thought about that. Hey.
Hello. Oh, come on. How are you? So, I was looking for you. I was looking everywhere for you. I have something beautiful to give you. Here you go. For me? Yes. I picked your favorites. I know that's what you love. I do. You like it, right? Yeah. I know. So I was actually... No, you were not actually doing anything. You were actually following me. That's what you're actually doing. So that assignment, did you later finish it? No. You did, huh?
Maybe I'm happy that I'm back and better. I can't wait to start work.
Oh, I'm glad you're back. But are you strong enough to start work?
Yes, honey. I had over 2 weeks of rest. My hip is healed and I've never felt this better before.
I'm so glad, Mom.
Tell me, how has school been? I love that! Just me.
Are you friends now?
Oh, really? I'm happy, honey. I'm happy for you.
I just wish we were like them.
Where did that come from?
No way, Mom. Never mind.
Now listen. Rich or poor, just know that you are a special kid. What matters is for you to study very hard and make something meaningful out of life.
Mom, to make something out of myself, I have to think.
That's why I continue to my school. I'm still paying the fees the scholarship didn't cover. But it's worth every time.
Mommy, thank you. You're the best.
Thank you. I just want you to enjoy school and have a great experience.
School is interesting, but Tanya still believes me.
Don't worry about honey. As a kid, like every of them there, they will come around. So tell me, you changed your cream. I am thinking
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach up or
See your back. Yes. How is that your business? Can you just leave me alone this morning? What do you want? Stop bugging me with your silly and stupid questions.
wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach up on a limb.
Does not look to you like I detest your presence.
To what you wanna be. Just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it.
Mom, I'm ready. Excuse me.
But you this again.
See, I am not a child. And there is nothing wrong with my uniform.
You lie. You're a child. As long as you're in my house, you are still a child. Now go in and change.
Oh, my wounds change.
You will change.
I'm sorry, but this is what everyone in my school wears.
You are not everyone. What you wear defines you. You are addressed the way you dress. Now go and change.
Look,
I've been wearing this since you were at the hospital, and no one scolded me.
I don't like this. Just don't get started with me. Go and change.
Mom, I will not change. Please.
Tochi! 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 Look at this girl.
I'm really having a problem solving algebra. You want me to choose something?
You mean like the expression? Yes. Have you tried working with fractions?
Yes, I have, but I still don't understand some things around the algebraic expressions and all that.
Okay. I'll help you with my coffee too. We'll talk later.
Haven't I told you to stop talking to that boy? He's my friend.
That thing, your friend? It's not, and we are friends. By the way, I love your hair.
So next week Friday is career day, and we're all wearing matching outfits. Hi Trey.
Hi. Hello.
So what are we going to be this time?
Why are you asking that? Nurses, I thought we all agreed on that.
I don't want to be a nurse this time.
Nobody cares about what you want to be, Sophia. You will wear what I tell you to wear.
So we all agreed now? We're all going to the tailors after school tomorrow for our outfit.
Doesn't that involve money? Of course it does. You have to ask your parents for that. How much are we talking about?
I don't know. Maybe 50k per outfit. Are you scared?
You have to ask your parents though.
What are we sewing?
But I don't even want to be a nurse. 15,000. You know what? It's fine. I'll foot your bills. Okay, I'll take care of it for you. I don't even know what I was thinking, telling myself you could afford it. Forgot you're poor. So, deal? Nonsense? Follow me. Hi, Mom. You're still fighting. Huh? You know I do not always have to agree with you. I want to look this way.
Tochi, how you look now doesn't matter. You're still in secondary school.
So you're putting up a frown because I want to look and feel good?
Oh, you don't feel and look good before? You don't?
Mom, the fact that we are poor doesn't mean I should look poor.
Did you just say that? Huh? That's by the way. Come and help me fix this. It's my weak point.
That was what I wanted to do. You should have told me.
What are you doing?
Oh, Benita. I'm helping my mom. Come here. Just go. You realize that you are one of us now, right? And you cannot be caught doing this, whatever it is. She's my mom and she needs help. I believe she can handle it herself. Let's go. This is classless. She can be a mom at home. Let's go. Were you following me?
Yes, I was waiting for you. Why have you been avoiding me?
I'm not avoiding you. I'm just scared of being judged.
Judging. Nobody's judging you, okay? I'm not judging you. See, Judging. I like you a lot, and I miss you.
You miss me? We did not even talk like that.
See, I know, but I can't help it anymore. Jojo, I like you.
You do?
Yeah, I've had a crush on you like since forever, since the day you came into this.
Me too.
I just wanted to be sure we're on the same page. I wanted to be sure you like me too.
I don't get it.
Jojo, can I be honest with you? See this makeup, this lip gloss, those short skirts. You trying to be like Benita and her so-called squad. I don't think you need it. I feel you're best be natural. Just be yourself.
I see. You're nothing but a control freak. I like my life right now. I hated the withdrawn girl I used to be. And I will not let you ruin this for me.
Gucci, let's go home.
Mommy, just go ahead. I'm going with my friends today.
Oh, we always go home together.
Mommy, please, just go ahead this time. I'll go with my friends.
Sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dream come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you wanna be, just put your head up high and don't give up. You can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you, only if you try. It's stronger than it feels. seems to weigh you down with every step you take and every move you make. Your light will keep on shining. Just learn from your mistakes. Every fall teach you how to fly. 'Cause you can make it if you want. You can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation.
Ada.
You can make it if you try.
Adama.
You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need.
Ada, come.
No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you only if you try. Just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you only you can be just
Good day, sir.
Ada.
Sir,
Good.
how do you mean?
You look tired. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes.
All these things you're carrying, I get worried. You're not comfortable at all. There's no better way to arrange it. It's okay. Need any assistance from me, do not hesitate to let me know.
Tochi, you are back. What is going on with you?
Nothing.
Are you sure? Because you've changed. You seem to be more interested in your relationship with Benita and her friends than why you were admitted in that school.
This is how I go ahead in life, Mom. I need to make something out of myself. And to do that, I need to be friends with people like Benita.
You don't.
I do!
You don't.
And I need you to give me some space! Don't always be calling me to wash plates and do some other stuff.
You were so excited to help me when you got admitted in that school. Are you not ashamed of me, your mother?
Mom, I'm not. I just wanted you to give me some space. You told me yourself. You sent me to that school to make the right connections.
Not at your own detriment. My dear, Benita and her friends are not the kind of people you were supposed to be moving around with. Please.
Mom, you don't even know anything. Benita is so much nice to me in that school. Even much more than your Daniel, who you so much prefer. What do you want?
I came here to talk to you. Why have you not been speaking to me?
That is because I do not want to talk to you. Get that.
Oh my, did you see that? See the way she literally walked out on tree. Someone we've all been tripping for.
Shut up. Shut up. Hey, cutie. Hey.
Don't you ever call me that again, okay?
Oh, come on, Trey. Can't you see she doesn't want you? She doesn't see you. I've been trying to get you to see me.
I don't see you. And I never will, okay?
Let's go.
After him?
Sophia, do you know there is something definitely wrong with you in your head and you need to get your brain checked?
What did I do, Donna?
You really that stupid, Sophia. You must be really stupid.
What is wrong with you?
Why won't you mind your business, this woman?
Do not speak to me in that
I will
manner.
speak to you however I want to. What is wrong with you? Why can't you just leave me? Why are you always up in my business?
You're smoking, Dana. Isn't that enough reason for me to be in your business?
You're not my mother, so mind your own business, you slave.
Maybe your dad and mom needs to hear about this.
You know, I wish you had broken your neck or your back that day you fell. Yes.
What?
Yes. You probably still be in the hospital or even dead by now. And you might even stop bugging me. You know, God saved you that day.
Wait. Daniel, did you have anything to do with my falling that day?
Yes. Because you have refused to caution your wayward daughter and you have refused to stay out of my business.
Don't talk about you.
What is wrong with you? Why would you slap me? But why can't you mind your business? What is wrong with you? Hey! What is going on here? Daniel! What are you trying to do? Oh, you want to fight me? You want to fight me? Go ahead. Go ahead! Adam, what did you want to do? No, what did you want to do? I'm asking you, what did you want to do? To beat her? Leave this. Adama, leave this thing! Let me deal with this boy. What is all this? What's going on here? Ask him. Ask your son. Ask your son why he is fighting Adama. Why he's beating her up. Ask him. Leave it. You're calling him Nna instead of asking him what he did to this woman. Your son is beating up a woman and all you can say is Nna, you are petting him. Oh, no, there is a serious problem in this family. There is a serious problem in this family. Florence. Like mother, like son. Rubbish.
My darling, it's okay. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay, son. It's okay. Okay? Come, let's go.
Oh. What is it?
I'm sorry I didn't believe you.
Believe me.
What's happened?
Today I caught Daniel at the backyard smoking.
Smoking? What? Has it gotten to this level?
When I tried to question him, he told me to my face that he spilled the oil in the kitchen. That cost my phone.
I told you that boy is a devil.
Don't call him that. He just needs guidance, that's all.
You still support him? After he tried to kill you?
I think he's going through a lot that we don't even know. He's acting.
Acting? You would kill me if I did that to somebody, Mom.
Tochi. Danny is a boy child. They are different.
And so what? And so what, Mom? That boy doesn't even care about you.
Don't say that.
He tried to kill you, Mom. That fall could have cost a lot. And here you are still caring about him. Mom, please stop. Keep making excuses for him until he becomes a full-fledged monster.
He will never. I wish I can talk to him. He just needs someone to guide him. That's all.
Please don't cry. You do not have to like him.
He's human. I wish I could advise him. Maybe he will open up and tell me what the problem is.
He's wicked. He's not human.
He's not. He's not.
Girls, our dresses are so nice.
What? What's the problem? Oh, the dress. It's too short. I do not think it's something students should wear.
Oh my goodness. Benita, did you hear her say that? Our dresses for this year's Careers Day so decent. Like, you know what we wore last year? She's got to be kidding me.
It was crazier. But I don't understand. You're an adult, so why does that even bother you?
Technically, she's not up to 18. So she's not an adult.
So
When will you learn how to shut up? You don't know when to talk. What is your problem? Are you up to 18? Are you?
Mouth sealed.
Of course.
Never to be opened again.
As you should.
Shut up.
My mom is going to throw a fit if she sees me in those. Come on. You don't have to wear it at home. She doesn't have to see you wear it. You can bring it to school and wear it here.
Benita has a good idea, you know.
Okay?
Tochi, I've got something for you.
You wrote me a letter?
No, he did.
Oh, Benita.
What did you say? Let's read it.
Okay.
Looks like you've lost him.
Benita, darling. It's high time you let the boy go.
Anna, you know that
the way you are very tiny, to break you into two is not going to be very hard. You know that, Abby? You know that. I don't even know why I roll with both of you.
I'll beat you one of these days.
I've told Benita several times you're not meant to be in this group. I wonder why she doesn't listen.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance. to what you wanna be. Just put your
What do you want?
I've been trying to talk to you, like, I'm trying to get your attention.
And you had to send a letter when I was with the girls?
The girls? I don't care about the girls, okay? Come.
Benita. She likes you. Benita likes you.
Told you. It's you I like. Told you. It's you that I like.
Hello.
Sir. I'm fine, sir. Wow. It's strange to see you here.
Well, yes, I come to see your mother. But where is she?
Oh, Mommy!
Good day, Miss Tolu.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Why are you here?
Well, I come to talk to you about
Oh, it's nothing.
It's everything, sir. Daniel detests my mother and treats her with so much disrespect.
You see, I am aware of that, and that is my concern. His mother is not helping matters. She's bent on sparing the rod and spoiling that boy.
So I think it relies on you to use all disciplinary measures to train Daniel. Else he will pose a big threat to the society.
Yes, sir. He indulges in all acts of notorious activities. It's so bad that our principal uses him and his friends as example during our instructions.
Really? You see? That woman has destroyed that boy. I'm really sorry about this whole thing. I really apologize for everything. And I promise I will do everything within my powers to discipline that boy to turn a new leaf. I will.
Okay. Thank you for caring.
You're welcome. Touch, please give us a minute. I want to talk to your mother privately.
The sky is wide for every single bird to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to make the dreams come true. To soar high in the sky, whether you reach upon a limitation. To what you want to be. Just put your head up high and don't give up. 'Cause you can make it if you
Don't you?
can have just one.
Can I be honest with you? I don't like you wearing this to school.
You can make it if you try.
Today is career day.
I know all that. Listen, dear. Forget about all this drama. You're still young. At this point in life, all you need is to concentrate on your studies.
Mom, I just wear a short skirt and you're acting like this? But you still support Daniel even after he tried to kill you.
Because you're my child. You're all I've got. I don't like this for you.
Mom, please stop this your two-faced thing. It doesn't speak well of you. I'm going to school. And if you're coming for my career day, try to dress sophisticated.
Just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you try. You can be just what you want. And you can have just what you need. No limitation, no limitation. You can make it if you only if
Yeah. You know what? We'll get to the hospital from there to run that test.
Daniel, don't keep your father waiting.
What? Hey, hello. Where do you think you're going to? What is going on?
I'm going to school, Dad.
Oh, really? In this car, huh? Listen, you are going to school with public transport. Yes. All your privileges have been cut off. All your privileges have been cut off. I announced it before. Didn't you hear it?
Honey, please forgive him. Huh? Please, don't be too hard on him.
Really?
Dad, I can't take a public transport to school now. It's classless for my standard.
Oh, really? Oh, you have a standard.
Exactly.
You, Daniel, you have standard. You have standard and you are smoking in my compound. Only God knows what you do outside of this place. Classless.
Honey, please forgive him. Please.
Florence, you are the one spoiling this boy. Oh yes, we had 4 daughters before him. And they are all decent, nice girls. But when it comes to him, you lose your head. Huh? You need to sit yourself down and tell yourself the truth where you got it wrong with this boy. You need to. You really need to, Florence.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello? You're going to school? Do you need a ride to your school?
No, sir. My friends are waiting outside.
Oh, okay. Have a nice day. All right. Have a nice day.
You see, this is all her mom's fault. She told her about this.
Oh, yes. Go ahead and blame everybody. Blame the whole world for the consequences of your foolishness. Go ahead. Nonsense.
It wasn't my mom. It was me. I told your dad about it.
You pay for this, I promise you.
You pay for this. If you dare cross this line now, you see me. Get out of my presence. Get out of my presence now.
Son, don't worry. I will take you with my car. Let's go.
Whose car? Whose car? You go to school henceforth with public transport. And that is final. Florence, if you want to go, you join me.
Maduka!
You know about that makeup I was telling you about? I got mine and it's out.
Oh, it's out already?
You got so yours? Yes.
Oh, really?
I got
That's
mine.
what we're doing now, eh?
There's one.
You're not... Obviously.
A nice one.
Oh, Danny boy, you know you cannot try it. You know you cannot. So tell me, how does it feel to get a taste of your own medicine? How much fun was it coming to school on your leg in these beds?
You want to sleep that well? Oh my goodness. Can you guys perceive the smell? Oh, the smell is from Daniel. Daniel, you smell like public transport, you know.
It smells like the streets.
Did you take a proper shower before coming to school this morning?
Weeks of trials and tribulation. You definitely look like what you're going through right now because, yo. So, how long did it take for you to get here?
You'll actually make it.
She told you, right?
Of course, she told me. Why wouldn't she tell me something like that?
Just leave him alone.
Why? It's starting to get good.
No, he deserves all the insults. This guy is so mean. What are you saying? What? You want to beat me? Huh?
He knows he cannot try it. So like I asked, how long did you have to walk? Did you stop for water on the way?
How far did you have to go?
Very far.
Did you stop by on the way to buy water?
Were there refreshments?
Very fine.
Look at this man.
can
Do you look at this man? Hey, would you look at this man? Hey, would you look at this man?
Keep tracking. Oh my god. Why is your face like that? It was funny, wasn't it?
Oh, come on, it was funny. You have to admit.
Ma, please, I'm begging you. 3 weeks suspension is too much. I promise she will never do this again. Please.
I see your pain, woman. But, Tochi, why will you dress like this to the school? A learning environment. And you, the mother, you allowed her dressed, like this to school.
I swear I saw her leave the house in her school uniform. She was not dressing like this. She must have changed to this when she got to school.
I don't think so. What do you have to say?
Benita and her friends, they made me wear this. They said it's our costume for career day.
Seriously? What career are you talking about?
This is supposed to be a nurse costume.
Nurse costume? Where on earth have you seen a nurse dressed this way?
I thought we were supposed to twist it a little bit for career day.
We? Who are the we?
So Benita deceived you into wearing this. Don't she? Benita deceived you into wearing this. And you agreed.
It's okay, madam.